One. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. It's Emma and
Leah.
Today we're going to be making s'mores lollipops,
Like,
or like s'more snacks, whatever.
So
first we have this pot, and then Leah is going to be putting like little pieces of chocolate into the pot. So we have that.
you can help me.
Okay. We're just going to like break them into small pieces.
I put them in the pot.
Yeah, I think
I'm having this piece. Well, before I
I'm
put the
fine.
last one.
Okay, so now we are gonna no lid.
Okay.
Now we're gonna be putting the chocolate in the microwave.
For 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
That's not on.
What?
Okay.
Do you have a step stool or no?
Yeah. I'm going to get.
Okay, guys. Leah will be right back. We're just getting a step stool because I cannot reach the microwave. So basically, I'm just going to be organizing. So we have these little like sprinkles, and then we have some marshmallows and the sticks. So yeah, she's back.
I'm back. Yeah.
And I'm just going to be putting this in the microwave.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, guys.
About 30 seconds.
I know.
So, wait. Start.
Okay, so we're going to be waiting here. It's not that long. So wait.
It's just 30 seconds.
Just 30 seconds. But
So, we have these.
so I showed them everything already.
The sticks are going to be putting on the marshmallows.
Yeah, like so the marshmallow is going to be in there, and then the chocolate's going to be in that rubber bowl, and then we're going to dip it in, and then we're going to put the sprinkles in here. No, I'm just going to open that and dip it in. Well, I don't think the marshmallows. Okay, so
It's done. I think we should put the sprinkles in here. Yeah, we're going to put the sprinkles in here, and then we're just going to dip the marshmallow into the sprinkles after we dip it into the chocolate.
it didn't melt at all.
Mom, it didn't melt. Put it in for
No, wait.
one more minute.
Start it and then put it in for another 30 seconds.
Oh. But it's
Thanks,
like-
Mom.
Okay, so we're just. Oh, it melted a little bit.
It melted a little bit.
Okay, so wait.
I think that's good.
Is this good stirring? Okay, and we're gonna put it in for another 30 seconds.
I'm going to get a new spoon.
Yeah, no, it's fine, Liam. Yeah, it's just chocolate.
Okay.
And so basically, when we eat it, it's supposed to taste like a s'more without the graham crackers. Because the sprinkles were supposed to be graham crackers. We just wanted to use these though.
Because, they'll probably taste better. We'll see.
Yeah, and we just like the sprinkles better than graham crackers. So yeah, don't worry about him.
Yeah, don't worry about my father.
Can I stir it, Leah?
Sure.
Okay, that melted a lot.
Let me see. Oh, wow.
Guys, it looks so good. Can you shut the microwave, please?
Sure.
Okay, guys, it's almost. Oh wow, this is really working. Oh, guys, look how cool it looks. It's like pure chalk melted, like.
You want me to put the sprinkles in here?
Yeah. So basically, okay, wait, Leah, let them look at you too. So we're just like, I'm just stirring, and she's gonna pour like a little bit of sprinkles in.
Not that much.
Not that much because we don't need too much. I'll tell you what, stop. Keep going, keep going.
Okay.
Go. That's good.
That's a little more. I'm taking the sprinkles.
Actually, just a little more.
Yeah. Oh, the crunchy.
That's good.
The crunchy.
Okay, I think that's enough stirring for me.
Oh, that. Show them.
Guys, look how good that looks. Oh, okay. Can you put this in the sink, please?
I'm looking at.
Okay, so now we just have to open these marshmallows. And I'm going to put these two onto the side so you could actually see us. Oh, yeah, they are crunchy. Yeah, but that's really crunchy. You have scissors. Guys, this is not my house. This is my friend's house. Came over for a play date. Sorry, guys.
That's decent look.
Thank you. Oh. Okay, so basically we're just gonna cut it open. Stop eating the sprinkles. There's gonna be none left in there.
Okay, fine. Oh, stop.
Because these sprinkles are really crunchy and it's really good. So wait. Can you put those back? I don't,
Yeah.
I don't want to keep leaving stuff out. Okay, so. Wait, trying to open it much more. Oh wow. Guys, look how big they Okay. Yeah, that's good. And then we're basically just going to put it onto this lollipop stick. Like, that's good. And then we're going to take the chocolate. Okay, here.
And then I'll continue and show
So
you.
we're gonna take this marshmallow and we're gonna dip it into the chocolate, guys.
What? That looks so good. Now dip it into the sprinkles. Now sprinkles.
Okay, and then Leah's gonna do it. And then the sprinkles. Oh wait, wow. Oh, chocolate went in there, but it's fine. We're all good. Guys, it looks so good. Guys, look at that. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to do.
And you want me to-
Wait,
We're gonna try it. We're gonna try.
3, 2, 1. That is so good.
Go, please.
It's good.
Oh, there's the plate.
Guys, look at my lips. You can tell they're really crunchy.
If you guys want to make this at home,
Yeah, guys, if you make this at home,
you'll really see how good it tastes.
yeah, you guys have to try this at home.
Whatever you want.
But be careful, be careful.
Yeah.
It's very messy.
We'll tell you the recipe in the comments.
Yeah, but I think they're just gonna be okay with it. So this is basically the real recipe, but this is our recipe. So the real recipe is lollipop sticks, large marshmallows, milk chocolate, any type, and then crushed graham crackers. But what are you doing? But our recipe is lollipop sticks, a huge marshmallow, not just large, then milk chocolate and sprinkles, but yeah. That is so good. You have to try it. So our next video will be making slime. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys. Peace.